Arthur Schneir, president of the Appeal of Conscience Foundation, an interfaith foundation of Christians, Muslims, and Jews that I founded in 1965, and I'm senior rabbi of Park East Synagogue in New York, and also a member of the 20 UN Alliance Civilization high-level group. First, we have to begin teaching our children. Children are not born with hatred. They're taught how to hate. Second, responsible leaders, particularly religious leaders, should preach and act and lead in terms of mutual acceptance, mutual respect, and coexistence. It's an essential necessity because we're all on one boat. If you have an economic crisis in one part of the world, it affects the entire world, okay? If you have any conflict today, it affects other parts. We are in one world, one family, and that we're all God's children. And that message has to be given from churches, mosques, synagogues. That's one important thing. Rainbow has 7 colors, and they harmonize, okay? That's what we need. Turkey has had a history, speaking now about the Jewish community, when Jews were persecuted in Western Europe, they found haven in Turkey, so there's a long-standing relationship. I think that Turkey has a very important role to play, and I think that by promoting this idea, which really originated from Turkey, of an alliance civilization, has made a very important contribution to mutual understanding and coexistence. I've been to Istanbul on many occasions, so I feel very much at home in Turkey, okay?